I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up a payment gateway on Shopify can seem daunting, but it is quite straightforward once you know the steps. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. This is where you manage all your store settings, including payment options. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. In the admin panel, go to Settings at the bottom left corner, then select Payments. This section allows you to configure how you accept payments. Step 3. Choose your payment gateway. Under the Payment Providers section, you'll see options for various payment gateways. Choose the one that fits your business needs, such as PayPal or Stripe. Step 4. Configure gateway settings. Once you select a payment gateway, click on Manage to enter your account details and configure settings like currency and transaction fees. Make sure to save your changes. Step 5. Test your payment gateway. After setup, it is crucial to test the payment gateway to ensure it works correctly. You can do this by placing a test order using a real payment method. If you forget to enable test mode in your payment settings, you might accidentally charge your card during testing. Now you are all set. With these steps, you can easily set up a payment gateway on Shopify and start accepting payments. Happy selling!